Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on real estate transactions with Zillow, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Zillow website or download the Zillow app. Create an account if you don't already have one. Use the search bar to find properties in your desired area. Filter results based on your budget and preferences. Take advantage of Zillow's price history feature for each property. Analyze market trends by checking the Price Insights section. Utilize Zillow's mortgage calculator to estimate your monthly payments. Explore the Nearby Schools feature to assess the area's educational options. Read reviews and ratings for neighborhoods to better understand the community. Look for properties listed as for sale by owner to save on commissions. Contact sellers directly for more negotiation power. Check out Zillow's Make Me Move feature to find owners who might be open to selling. Stay updated on new listings by setting up email alerts for your criteria. Review Zillow's Zestimate feature for a property's estimated market value. Cross-reference Zestimate values with recent sales in the area for accuracy. Attend open houses to get a feel for the property without commitment. Network with local agents through Zillow to find those who specialize in your area. Request a comparative market analysis from a real estate agent to ensure a fair deal. Consider using Zillow's tools to track interest rates and market conditions. Prepare your documents in advance, including pre-approval for a mortgage. Negotiate using data gathered from Zillow's analysis tools. Finalize your budget to determine an appropriate offer price. Schedule inspections for properties you are seriously considering. Stay informed on local real estate laws and regulations to avoid pitfalls. Keep all communications professional and clear to foster a positive relationship with sellers. Review all contracts carefully, and do not hesitate to ask questions. Consider working with a knowledgeable real estate agent who understands Zillow's tools. Complete the transaction efficiently by following the guidelines from your lender. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.